어? 비디오 찍어.
이거 찍으면 안 나오고 찍고 있어야지.
찍었어. 찍는 거야.
재수 좀 찍히고.
응?
그러고 있다가 찍히면 좋은 거고.
Come on.
큰 것들 몇 개 찍었어?
뭐 놓쳤어. 어. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! This is amazing. Come on. Give me something big. Give me a big one. Whoa! Huge storm brewing in, guys. Oh my god. Oh, wind is picking up. Almighty Thor. Pikachu! Oh! It's really picking up. The wind. Now this is what I call a storm. Oh shoot. And all. Whoa! Oh! Maybe like this way. This is great. This is amazing. This is just a very full zoom out. The wind is really picking up. Oh my gosh. I can't even breathe. Oh, debris. I got dirt in my eye. This is crazy. Ow. Just hit my arm. I forgot, I don't know what hit my arm. Come on. Give me a big one. Whoa! I may be crazy, but this is amazing. Wow. Literally in a heavy storm out here in the backyard. This is not fake, this is real. Hi, I'm Thundermane, also known as Real28. I will be posting this on my YouTube channel, Thundermane. Oh my gosh. Bless you. This is legit. Pikachu. Or not. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The wind is picking up. Saw that right there, right? Oh my goodness. Oh, I got dirt in my eyes. But don't worry, I'm wearing my contacts. I think we're like in some kind of a storm or something. It's not a tornado, nor is it like some kind of a hurricane or something, but more like a huge heavy wind with thunder and lightning. It is amazing. Who knew this would be the day or night, for that matter, to be in this type of storm? It's really picking up and just dying down, and then picking up, just picking back up, and then going back down. If there's a big one just striking down, that's it. I'm going in. Other than that, it looks calm, and you know, I don't know if it'll like just come overhead, or okay, that was a small one. If it's a big, literal skadoosers, then oh yeah, from there to there. So you can see the cloud kind of moving a little bit that way or that way. I don't know which way, but it is just phenomenal. Oh, okay, the wind died down. The skies are just very, very cloudy. I believe that you can see the cloud right there kind of moving, but I don't know which way through the camera. But you can see like lightning over there, and it's just like moving all around. You know, it's just, it's amazing. I'm speechless. Whoa! Oh! I'm literally down on the ground, not like kneeling, but I'm like literally, you can't really see it. Right, I am here on the ground, just kneeling down, almost. I'm like on my feet, and it's just, this is amazing. I'm just waiting for like a big, and I mean humongous big, like maybe Zapdos big, or any legendary type Pokemon, electric type Pokemon big. I just want it to be just, I literally want to end it with a bang. Give me the boom. That was a flash. Come on, give me something big. Bigger than ever. maybe like something. Oh my gosh, that's a strike across the sky. I want something to go downward. I want to go bang. The wind is picking up again. This is just amazing, guys. The internet is down. The blackout did not happen, but the storm, who knew it would actually happen in October of what, 3rd, I think? Oh shoot, I missed it. No! It was like right there. I missed it due to the camera fibbing. Sorry. Oh! My main focus is like right here because I can't really pan fast enough. Because it's, you know, light travels fast, and I mean like super fast. It's like up in the sky and a little further down that way, but I don't know if it'll actually just strike literally downward through the valley, like maybe near me, or not like near me, but close to me, like a little further away from me though. Whoa! Okay, maybe I should just aim it that way, so it's like right above me a little bit. But it's not like, it's literally like an obtuse angle. This is amazing. This is just amazingly good. Oh, there's a sound. Like the saying goes, light then sound. I might be risking my life here, guys. Wow. Literally just look at the sky. I know it's like normally cloudy, but this is just phenomenal. How big can we go with this? Apparently that big. You can hear the siren going off, like farther in the distance. There goes my leg. You can tell from the sky, it's just moving heavy. Will there be a bigger strike? And where will it strike, to be exact? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Great Zapdos! That is awesome! It's like a literal light flashing in the sky. When do you think we'll actually just strike it downward? You know? Oh man, the wind is just picking up from there, guys. Oh goodness. Okay, reason why I'm actually nearly lower to the ground is so I just don't fly off. I'm a lightweight, guys, so this is technically crazy beyond just this is like amazing. I'm just like I'm speechless. This is like my dream come true. Just recording this and all. It's like only starting there, and some of them are like over here, but I think it's just moving that way. Any Pokemon that are up in the sky that are electric type, give me a sign. This is awesome. This is awesome. Zapdos, if you are there, please strike your lightning or thunder down. This is just amazing. Oh my gosh. I think that's it for now. But I don't want to end it though. Well, this is it, you guys. Have a great night and a great day. And stay